Music theory is not hard. It only looks hard on paper. On this channel, I will show you how to understand it clearly. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Daniel and welcome to Eucharisteo Music Academy. This channel is dedicated to teaching music theory in a simple and practical way for singers, for choir members, for musicians, especially those preparing for ABRSM London exams. If you're ready to build a strong foundation in music, whether you are from Africa, you are from Asia, you are from Europe, South America, North America, whatever continent you are, this channel is for you. Kindly subscribe to this channel and get ready to learn music the right way. Bye for now.